Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noor Suriani binti Nur Halim. My matric numbers is 2023826078.
In this video presentation, I will explain about plant cell.
In this topic, I will explain about the characteristics of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, plant cell and animal cell component, organelle, nucleus, cellular structure, mitosis and meiosis. Definition: the defining characteristics feature that distinguishes between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell is the nucleus. In prokaryotic cell, the true nucleus is absent. Moreover, membrane-bound organelles are present only in eukaryotic cell. In this slide, I will explain about the difference of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic, no membrane bound organelle, no true nucleus, unicellular, 0.1 until 5 micrometers, has cell wall, and sexual reproduction. While eukaryotic cell has contain membrane bound organelle, contain true nucleus, unimulticellular, 10 until 100 micrometers, asexual and sexual reproduction. The similarity between prokaryotic and eukaryotic is has ribosome, cell membrane, has DNA, and cytoplasm. Next, this picture can explain about prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cell, it has cell membrane, DNA, lysosome, ribosome, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, nucleus, endoplasmatic reticulum, and cytoplasm. In prokaryotic cell, it has pilus, capsule, cytoplasm, ribosome, nucleus, DNA, plasma membrane, cell wall, and flagellum. In this slide, I will explain about plant cell and animal cell. Plant cells have a cell wall as well as a cell membrane. In plants, the cell wall surrounds the cell membrane. This gives the plant cell its unique rectangular shape. Animal cells simply have a cell membrane but no cell wall. This picture explains about animal cell and plant cell. Animal cell 10 until 30 micrometers in length, typically round of irregular in shape, while plant cell is 10 until 100 micrometers in length, typically rectangular or cubic in shape. Next, I will explain about the cell component. What are the cell components? A cell consists of three parts: the cell membrane, the nucleus, and between the two the cytoplasm. Within the cytoplasm lie intricate arrangement of fine fibers and hundreds of even thousands of molecules, but distinct structure called organelle. It is divided into 5 parts, which is protoplasm, protoplast, cytoplasm, cytosol, and organelle. The function of protoplasm: all the living contents inside the cell, including all cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus, not including cell wall vacuole. Next, the function of protoplast refer to a plant cell without the cell wall, and the cell wall can be removed through enzyme hydrolysis. Next, the function of cytoplasm. The cell clears substance, jelly-like fluid, between the cell membrane and the nucleus, containing the cytosol, organelle, cytoskeleton, and various particles. It's also called protoplasm. Next, the function of cytosol. The internal fluid of cytoplasm contains water and dissolved substances such as amino acid, sugars, protein, enzyme, and ions. Next, the function of organelle. An organelle is a specified part within a living cell that serves a function such as mitochondria, vacuole, or chloroplast. Next, in this slide, I will explain about the organelle. Literally, little organs are usually membrane-bound structure inside the cell that has specific functions. The organelle is the cell's internal substructure. The plant cell organelle are divided into 6 parts, which is nucleus, mitochondria, plastic chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, and Golgi apparatus. Next, in this slide, I will explain about the nucleus, most important part of the cell. Next, controlling influence on all cell activities, usually spherical or oval structure, located in the center of the cell, surrounded by the nucleus membrane, serve as the information processing and administrative center of the cell. Only the cell of eukaryotic have a nucleus. Next, the function of nucleus. First, it can control the cell activities. Next, contain genetic information, production of ribosome, synthetic and regulation of enzyme. Next, this picture can explain about nucleus. It has pore, endoplasmic reticulum, nuclear envelope, nucleolus, nucleoplasm, and chromatin material. Next is cellular structure, which is cytoskeleton. It is a network of fibers. Its organized cell structure and activities, anchoring many organelles, maintains cell shape. 3 types of molecular structure: A. Microtubules, B. Microfilament, C. Intermediate filament. And lastly, I will explain about the difference of mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis, a process of cell duplication or reproduction during which one cell gives rise to two genetically identical daughter cells. Strictly applied, the term mitosis is used to describe the duplication and distribution of chromosomes. While meiosis is a specialized type of cell division that reduces the chromosome number by half, creating 4 haploid cells, each genetically distant from the parent cell that give rise to them.